The story of human evolution is the story of life adapting, surviving, and transforming over millions of years. It is a tale written in bones, in stone tools, and in the DNA that connects all living beings. Our journey begins in Africa, the cradle of humanity, where some of our earliest ancestors first appeared. Around 7 million years ago, the lineage that would lead to modern humans diverged from that of our closest living relatives, the chimpanzees. These early hominins, walking upright on two legs, faced a world of shifting climates and changing landscapes. Fossils such as Sahelanthropus chadensis and Orrorin tugenensis reveal creatures that were small, yet remarkably adapted to both trees and open plains. By 4 million years ago, species like Australopithecus afarensis were roaming the East African savannas. Among them, the fossil known as Lucy, discovered in Ethiopia in 1974, provides extraordinary insight into our past. Lucy was small-brained, yet her pelvis and leg bones indicate that she walked upright with confidence, a key step in the evolution of bipedalism. These hominins foraged for fruits, seeds, and roots, climbing trees when danger threatened, and walking the open grasslands when searching for water or new territory. Their survival depended on adaptability, intelligence, and the slow development of social structures. Around 2.5 million years ago, a remarkable transition took place with the emergence of the genus Homo. These early humans, including Homo habilis, began to craft tools from stone, opening new possibilities for survival. Simple flakes and hand axes allowed them to cut meat, process plants, and defend against predators. This innovation marked the dawn of technology and a new form of intelligence. Their brains were slightly larger than those of their predecessors, reflecting a growing capacity for problem-solving and communication. By 2 million years ago, Homo erectus emerged as a species that would spread far beyond Africa. They were taller, stronger, and capable of long-distance travel. Evidence suggests that Homo erectus learned to control fire, providing warmth, protection, and the ability to cook food. Fire reshaped their social lives, bringing them together around the hearth, fostering communication and creating a foundation for culture. Homo erectus ventured into Europe and Asia, demonstrating adaptability to diverse environments and climates. Their tools became more refined, including cleavers and choppers designed for specific tasks, a testament to growing cognitive skill. Around 300,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, our direct ancestors, began to appear in Africa. They were anatomically modern humans with large brains, precise hand movements, and the capacity for language and abstract thought. With them came art, symbolism, and complex social organization. Evidence from archaeological sites shows early humans painting caves, carving figurines, and creating jewelry, reflecting not only survival, but culture, imagination, and culture. Their lives were deeply connected to the land, hunting and gathering with an intricate knowledge of plants and animals. As Homo sapiens spread across Africa and into Europe, Asia, and eventually the Americas, they encountered other human species, including Neanderthals and Denisovans. Genetic studies reveal interbreeding, leaving traces of these encounters in the DNA of people today. Neanderthals, robust and adapted to colder climates, were skilled hunters and tool makers.
Yet ultimately, they disappeared, leaving Homo sapiens as the sole survivors of the human lineage. These interactions reflect the complexity of evolution, a tapestry woven from survival, adaptation, and occasional cooperation. The migration out of Africa, beginning around 70,000 years ago, was a defining chapter in human history. Our ancestors crossed deserts, rivers, and mountain ranges, reaching distant lands and confronting new challenges. Along the way, they developed new technologies, from fishing nets to bows and arrows, and adapted to climates ranging from icy tundras to dense tropical forests. Language evolved as a tool for cooperation, teaching, and storytelling, shaping societies and guiding survival in unfamiliar lands. Agriculture emerged about 12,000 years ago, transforming human life forever. Agriculture allowed humans to settle, build villages, and form the earliest civilizations. With agriculture came surplus food, population growth, and specialization of labor. Humans began to shape their environment on an unprecedented scale, domesticating animals, cultivating crops, and building permanent structures. Cities rose, trade expanded, and ideas traveled, laying the foundation for the modern world. The evolution of humans is not only a story of biology, but of culture, knowledge, and resilience. Our brains, capable of imagination and innovation, allowed humans to create art, science, and technology. From stone tools to satellites, from cave paintings to digital worlds, the journey of humanity reflects both the continuity of life and the extraordinary leaps that define our species. Today, as we look back at fossils, artifacts, and the DNA within us, we can trace the path that led from upright walkers on the African savanna to thinkers, explorers, and creators shaping the earth itself. The story continues, reminding us that evolution is not merely a tale of the distant past, but a living process, ongoing in every generation, in every human mind, and in every step we take on this ever-changing planet.